Not down bad.
Who?
Gotta be down bad.
Everybody down bad today.
Big
Only way how
time.
you can really get these today is on Sneakers app. These are basically Travis
Hold
Scott's.
on.
I got them, and it's your size.
You lying. You lying. Let's go! Yes, sir. Were you naked?
Oh, yeah.
Bro, she gets everything. What you mean?
All I cared about was your size. I didn't care about mine. You really wanted
Let's
these.
go!
But it said grade school. I didn't get them.
Yeah, I didn't get them in grade school either.
If ain't nothing nice to say, then take it to the grave. I know it cannot date, but you shutting down the place and do it every day. And do not really play.
Man, oh man, it's been a long time since I've done one of these. What's good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Moody. It's Moody TV. And finally, it's been like a month or so since I've done a live cop. I ain't been able to help you boys, gentlemen, women, etc. out on these releases. But now that we have something to actually live cop, I'm going to show you the method I use and what I do in order to help me be able to cop sneakers on release day. So Links is just a website that I use for the most part to like keep all of my links down. There's other like sources that's out there in order to help you like keep track of like links and stuff like that, so you don't have to manually type it in whenever you're on these websites. But off rip, we're gonna go ahead and eliminate all the non-factors today, because if you're copying manually, there's only a select few sites that you can really use, so before all the bots is gonna take over on the rest. So JD Sports and Finish Line is my bread and butter. All right, that's the two sites we're gonna be working with today. YCMC, East Bay, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Jimmy Jazz, Nordstrom, they're all botted out. I mean, you can now Foot Action, Foot Locker, East Bay, you can sit there and try to add the car. Sometimes it does work. I've just never had luck with it on release day. I've only had luck with it like on restocks and stuff like that, so keep that in mind. DTLR sells out in like 2 seconds, so if you don't have a bot, it's pretty much like, you know, kind of dead. Nordstrom sells out, and then you have the sneakers app, which, you feel me, I got 2 phones, and then I have, my girl has her phone, so we'll have like 3 entries for men in grade school today. So after that's said and done, come to the top right hand corner, because you're gonna need this. I want to say like right before this this time happens, it's 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's 9 a.m. for me, so it's 8:40 right now. I have this extension on my computer called Session Box. I might leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and download it, but that might make it too easy for y'all. But you hit restart because it'll restart all of your sessions, because I've used this to get PS5s and stuff. If y'all want to see that stuff, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll try to get a video out like that. But what this does is spoofs your IP address, and you'll be able to see later. So like you see here, it says Links. It brings up another tab, and then it'll basically have like a color assigned to it. You can see it right here in the box. It's your first temporary session, and then sometimes whenever you have like a website open, like it'll be purple. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not refreshing my Twitter right now because it's not my normal IP address. So that's what I pretty much use. I have a couple different bookmarks saved on my thing, so this is where my notifications happen, and then this is where like I get all of my feed on when the shoes drop, and then yeah, so that's pretty much my setup. Hopefully this can help y'all out in the future, but I'm gonna get prepared. I'm gonna do all of this on my desktop, and I'm gonna do this on my laptop to the right of me. I'm gonna try to guide y'all on the way too while I'm doing it. Let's go ahead and get Aric on Discord, and then let's go ahead and get this day started. Hopefully, because this is a fire colorway, hopefully we can get a pair today. I'm gonna see y'all whenever the drop is live, so let's get it.
This is not gonna be a fun drop. I don't know if I told you this already.
Champs and East Bay pulled their stock.
Yeah, so I'm just kind of running with, they do this new style drop, and I absolutely despise it. They know what they're doing, bro. Yes, bro, it's stupid. It's so stupid. And I mean, don't get me wrong.
It really is dumb, because like all you have to do is like create a million tasks, and then like it's going to create a million different ways.
Exactly. So why the like they're like, my thing is, look, bro, hey, I'm with the bot protection. I'm totally with it.
But some bot protection just doesn't work.
When your bot protection is literally just increasing bots doing their It's just like, what are you doing, dude? You feel me?
Like the cues that do not help. All right, we got 6 minutes. I need them to. I'm gonna need them cue for which side?
Finish line, probably.
Yeah, finish line. I don't even want to mess with JD Sports today. Product not found. Stop lying to me. Tuso first gotta wait. All right, cool.
I'm still not in queue on JD though.
I'm not gonna mess with JD today.
Have you even gotten through on desktop recently?
Yeah. Well, actually, on my laptop, yeah.
Well, it's about to go down. You know that, right?
Yep.
I'm not really like. I'm kind of nervous. I'm not gonna cap. Like, I'm kind of nervous. I hate qubit drops, bro. I hate it with all my heart, bro. I hate qubits because it's just not fun, bro. And it's so much harder. And you use so much more data.
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna be low key and easy cop on sneakers though. I'm kind of feeling it. I'm hoping.
Easy cop on sneakers? Whoa, he's getting cocky.
I just feel it, bro. I don't know. Wow, JD is literally completely closed on me. The whole app just crashed.
Really? Yeah, they do that to me too.
Like full app, complete crash. Yeah, nobody's even checking out men's sizes on foot. Yeah, not one single men's size has been checked out. No fucking lie. None.
And I know everybody's gonna be pressed for finish line and JD now because East Bay and you said East Bay and Foot Action pulled their stock, right?
On everything, not one person has copped any men's sizes yet throughout all foot sites. Not one person has copped any men's sizes with this spot. I think they're holding the product, bro. That's all it is. There we go. One person just copped the first men's size. It's 9.5.
9.5. Well, you be wearing size 12s.
It says out of stock
On finish line.
on JD. I can't cop on JD, bro. I don't know about you. No matter how far I get in there, no matter if I'm like right there, that motherfucker would not work for me, bro. Oh, just let me go through. Let's see what this motherfucker's talking about.
What, 6.5?
No, it's a 5.
Ah, see. Well, they give me access denied after the drop. They about to do it on everything now. Yep.
Yeah, bro. I'm trying every single size in this order here. Like, why would they tweet that out?
Why would they tweet that out?
Damn, nobody is copping on foot sites for nothing, bro.
Finish line JD out of stock.
Of course, literally 0, nothing. I'm gonna try this 3.5.
It's not looking so good, but I'm probably gonna end up getting this in store anyway. As soon as they get they in store raffle together, they better do an in store raffle. They did it for the Shadow 2.0s. They better not do first come first serve. I'm gonna be hot. Once he was like, what's it called? East Bay and Foot Locker pulled their stock on men's. It was like, yeah.
Yes, sir.
I don't feel like anybody got these shoes. I don't know why today was the release day.
I'm so confused as to I'm thinking that everybody had everything. That's what I'm thinking.
But watch, whenever the Lightning 4s come out, bro, everybody's gonna get their pairs, which is gonna be weird.
It's not looking good, D. I'm not gonna cap. It's not looking good. Please, sneakers, bless me. That's all I need.
Right. I feel like you gonna hit on there. I ain't hit on there since the racer. No.
It's like
we hit on the dunks, the 8.5, and women the black and white panda lows. All right, finish line's completely done. All right, they handing out W's, and I think that goes along with some L's along the way too.
I haven't gotten a single charge yet.
I haven't either. You know, I be checking.
Am I down bad, Darius? Am I down bad? I gotta be down.
Everybody down bad today.
Like,
the only way how you can really get these today is on Sneakers app. These are basically Travis Scott.
Hold on, I'm gonna call you back.
All right. Yeah, W's is going out, and so are L's.
Alright, I got them, and it's your size.
You lying. Let's go! Yes, sir. Were you naked?
Oh yeah.
Bro, she gets everything. What you mean?
All I cared about was your size. I didn't care about mine. You really wanted
Let's
these.
go.
It said grade school. I didn't get them.
Yeah, I didn't get them in grade school either.
I don't care. I gotta
Let's go. Hey, W's. Jeez. I'm still going to try in store. I'm still going to try in store.
No, but I went back with the 6.5.
Let's go. Bro, you hit everything on your account.
I told you, babe. I said I just want him to get his size. I don't care too much for mine. And I put 2-day shipping for yours too. That's why.
I put 2-day shipping on everything too.
On the gray spot, I didn't do it. Oh damn, I didn't get a screenshot of it because then I got my L right away.
You could just take somebody else's screenshot.
Oh, you can. That's what you.
All right, y'all. It seems like it was a successful day. You feel me? Naveen hit on sneakers for your boy. But y'all, if you didn't hit on this release, y'all need to tap in and follow these accounts that I basically follow, because they're going to let you know when all the restocks happen. It's going to be a lot of restocks. Check your local JD Sports. Check your local Finish Lines. Try to, after the day, go to Foot Locker and Foot Locker Foot Action Champs as soon as they open to see if anybody didn't pick up their pairs, because that's when leftover day is. It's not over for this shoe just because the release day was an L for you. I'm just letting you know that now. So y'all stay tuned. That's the end of the video. Hopefully this helped you guys. So whenever the next drop happens, which is gonna be the Lightning Force, or unless it's something in between, I'm not for sure. But the Lightning Force, if we get all the shipments in on time, if we can do all of our raffles properly on Finish Line, JD, Foot Locker, Foot Action, all that, then it's gonna be a nice day. You're gonna be able to hit at least one. But that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. We'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, well, the next video is gonna be some more unboxing, so y'all just stay tuned. So see y'all in the next video. Let's get it.